frog that likes to get a massage. He leans in. Switch sides. Oh, yeah. Give me some more. Frogs like back rubs too, or toads.
Oh, that has to feel good. I'm thinking it.
Oh, rubber, rubber, rubber.
Try back legs. Try back legs.
Gizmo, what do you think? What do you think of the toad? Get him. Give him a kiss.
Oh.
Give him kisses. Give him an ear scratch again, Daddy. It's the tilting toad.
Ending video.
Say goodnight, though.
Good night. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.